everyone, welcome to Vaishai's YouTube channel and to the episode 13 of Polity MCQ series. These are the prelim specific videos which are going on from past few days. So if you have not watched the previous episode, go to the playlist of Polity MCQ series which are prelim specific videos in the Vaishai's playlist. So you will get access to them freely in the YouTube itself. So watch them and come back to this video. And if you want to join the test series, you can contact the number through WhatsApp 7200681675. Vaish sir will give details about joining the test series, and you can get benefit out of them because every year thousands of people are getting benefit out of this test series. So you if you want to be a part of that that thousands of people, just contact to the number. Now let's start the video. Which of the following subjects come under the central government? Banking, agriculture, prison and public health. So under this, banking comes under the central government. So union list, because the union government has 100 subjects under the union list, which includes defense, banking, currency, atomic energy, insurance and communication. You can remember these main things so that you can answer these type of question when they are asked. Question number 2, how many topics are currently covered in the concurrent list? So option A 100, option B 57, option C 61, option D 52. Now the in the concurrent list there are 52 subjects, so answer is D. But originally there were 47 subjects. Later some subjects were added to the concurrent list. So now presently it is 52. So D is the option for this question number 2. Question number 3. Which subject comes under the concurrent list? Newspaper, fisheries, market and census. So in the given options, newspaper comes under the concurrent list. Concurrent list comprises population, marriage, divorce, trucks, newspaper, books and printing press. So you can remember this. Newspaper comes under the concurrent list. So option A, that is newspaper, is the correct option for the question number 3. Question number 4. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Option A, union list, insurance. Option B, state list, agriculture. Option C, concurrent list, communication. Option D, both A and B. So they are asking not which are the correct matches. If they are asking the correct matches, D would have been the answer, but they are asking which are not the correct matches. So you have to read the question carefully, because if you get confused or if you don't read the question properly, you may have a chance putting a wrong answer and coming back. So concurrent list, communication doesn't come under the concurrent list, so option C is wrong. So option C is correct for the question number 4. So communication is covered actually under the central list, so option C is the option for the question number 4. Question number 5. In which part of the Indian Constitution center-state relations are mentioned? Option A, part 11. Option B, part 9. Option C, part 4. Option D, part 12. So pause the video and think about the answer and come back. These are the very easy questions today. We are solving very easy questions. So try to give answers for each and every question. Okay. So option for this question is option A. It is under the part 11 of the Constitution. So center-state relations are actually mentioned from the articles 245 to 255. So in this article, center-state and relations were present. So it comes under the part 11 of the Constitution. So part 11 of the Indian Constitution consists of the central-state relations, constituting the articles 245 to 255. So option A is correct for the question number 5. Which of the following taxes is or are levied, collected and kept by the state government? So they have given the codes. Code number 1, land taxes. Code number 2, octroi tax. Code number 3 is agricultural income tax. So options are only 1. Option B only 2 and 3. Option C only 1 and 2. Option D all 1, 2 and 3. So all of them like land taxes, octroi tax, agricultural income tax, everything's come under everything's Everything mentioned here are levied and collected by state government, and it is kept by the state government. So option should be D, that is all. That is 1, 2, 3 are the codes 1, 2, 3 are correct for the question number 6. So option D is correct for question number 6. So land taxes, octroi tax and agricultural income tax comes under the ambit of the state government itself. Question number 7. Which of the following is not related to the Administrative Reform Commission? So option A, Rajmanar Committee, option B, Sarkaria Commission, option C, West Bengal Remembrance Letter, and option D, Hanumantaya Commission. So the correct option for the question number 7 is Sarkaria Commission. So it is not related to the Administrative Reforms Commission, that is ARC. Sarkaria Commission was related to the center and state relationship, so it doesn't come under the administrative reforms, and this commission was formed actually in the year 1983. So option B, that is Sarkaria Commission, is correct answer for question number 7. So coming to the question number 8, which of the following is not matched correctly? Option A, Raj Manar Committee, which is constituted in the year 1969. Punchi Commission, constituted 2001. Sarkaria Commission in 1983, and Anandpur Sahib proposal in the 1973. I have just told you that the Sarkaria Commission is constituted in the year 1983. So this is correct match. So from the rest of the 3 options, you need to find which is not correctly matched. So Punchi Commission is not constituted in the 2001. In April 2007, a 3-member commission headed by the former Chief Justice of India, M.M. Punchi, was set up. It was set up in the by the UPA government to take a fresh look at relative roles and responsibilities of various levels of government and their interrelationships. So option B, that is Punchi Commission, which is set up in the year 2007, so they gave 2001, so it is wrong, it is not correctly matched. So for the question number 8, option B is correct. Question number 9. Which of the following is matched correctly? Finance Commission, Article 256. Money borrowed by the central government, Article 262. Power to delegate the work of the Federation of the State, Article 278, and grant by the Union to States, Article 275. So option D is correct, that is grant by the Union to States, that is Article 275 mentions about it. So it is correctly matched. Option D is correct. Article 275 1 of the Constitution in India, such sums as Parliament may by lay provides shall be charged in the Consolidated Fund of India in each year as grants in aid of the revenues of such states as Parliament may determine to be in need of assistance. So option D, that is grant by the Union to States, Article 275, is correctly matched. So option D is correct for question number 9. Question number 10. Which of the following recommendation is not of the Sarkaria Commission? There is no need to consult state before making the law on the concurrent list. The governor's rule should not be reduced to 5 years before time without any concrete reason. No autonomy for radio and television, and none of the above. So in the given options, option A is not correct because there is no need. They are saying there is no need to consult the states before making the law on the concurrent list, but there is a need to consult the states. So option A is wrongly mentioned, and the question is also asking about which is not correct. So option A is the correct answer for the question number 10, because the central government should consult the states before making the law on the concurrent list. So we are done with the 10 questions of the day. So if you like the video, like it, give your comment in the comment section, and share it with your friends who are in need of it. Okay, bye everyone, keep smiling.